All right, we are ready for the hospital. We have just, everything is packed. Got my bag there, some snacks, and the lady of the day is ready. No nerves at all, just doing what she does best. And now we have our bags packed and oh, crazy. Ready for the big Z. So, yep, we actually need to be at the hospital at what time? 6 o'clock, which is in the next 35 minutes. So we need to leave. But yeah, we prayed, we are ready, and now it's up to God. So let's do it. We are here at Waterfall Hospital and ready for Zion's birth. And here we go. So we are about 45 minutes away from King Zion. And yeah, we are praying for a safe delivery. And yeah, we thank God for what He's doing. And yeah, coming to see Zion in the next hour or so. I'm in my scrubs. As you can see, Sarah's in theater right now, so it's scary. Hey. Oops. Okay, we're here. Sarah's about to have a first meal. She just took a pain med, so here we go. So we got a gift basket for in the executive room. Wow. And we get a chair. There's my bed. I get a bed as well. And then, yeah, so we just got our food. Not bad. Almost as good as Sarah's, but not as good. Yeah. They also give us stocked fridge with drinks, which is very cool. Got your bathroom there. Look at that. Yeah, pretty cool. This is day one of Mr. Zion. Netcare bag. Bum cream. Yeah. Obviously get some wet wipes. Sorry, Zion. You get vaccination card. Baby's Russ. Oh, little. Sarah can finally walk. And slowly and dress up. She dressed up all by herself. Wow, well done, babe. Oh, yeah, it was stinky. Wow, a superstar. She's getting more gold badges after delivering a whole baby. So we're gonna take a walk and take one step closer to recovery. Hey grandma, hey grandpa, hey aunties. We are cruising now, and our last night here at the hospital. Look at the young man. And tomorrow we are getting out of here, and it's the beginning of a new journey with Zion. Say bye, Mom. Oh, look at my family. We're home now. We are home. Welcome home, Mr. Z. Welcome home, brother. Say hi, Zion.
Zion. Okay, come.
Talia, say Zion. Say hi, Zion.
See there?
Hi, I'll switch you around now.
Look. See?
Say hi, Zion.
Say hello, Zion. His name is Zion, Mama. See the baby. Say Zion.
Is Janelle,
Remember
Zion,
was in
and
Auntie's
Natalia.
tummy. Now there's Zion.